Hey there! Today I'm diving into something super exciting for all the health enthusiasts out there, the Ottawa Charter, and how you can apply its principles to your diet. Ready to transform your nutrition? Let's get started. First up, we have building healthy public policy. This is all about creating supportive environments for healthy choices. Think about advocating for policies that promote nutritious food options in schools and workplaces. You can also support local farmers markets and campaigns for clearer food labeling. Every little bit helps in making healthier options more accessible for everyone. Next, let's talk about creating supportive environments. This means ensuring that our surroundings encourage good dietary habits. At home, you could fill your kitchen with wholesome foods and get rid of junk food. At work, maybe start a healthy lunch club or advocate for healthier options in the cafeteria. Little changes in our environment can make a huge difference. Moving on to strengthening community actions. This involves working together with others to improve nutrition within your community. Join or start a local health group, organize community cooking classes, or work on a community garden project. It's all about building a supportive network that encourages and sustains healthy eating habits. Now let's look at developing personal skills. This is about empowering ourselves with knowledge and skills to make healthier choices. Take a nutrition class, learn to read food labels, or experiment with new healthy recipes. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to maintain a nutritious diet. Finally, reorienting health services. This means shifting the focus towards prevention and healthy living rather than just treating illnesses. Encourage your healthcare providers to give you nutritional advice and resources. Participate in health programs that focus on prevention and wellness. It's about making health services work for you in a proactive way. So there you have it. By applying the Ottawa Charter's action areas to your diet, you can make meaningful changes towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's all about making those small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Let's build a healthier future together, one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.